The complete life story of Donald Trump, from real estate to the White House. Love him or hate him, Donald J. Trump is one of the most talked about figures in modern history. From a real estate mogul to a reality TV star and the 45th President of the United States, Trump's life has been a roller coaster of success, controversy, and power. But who really is Donald Trump? How did he build his empire, rise to political dominance, and shape America's future? Today, we dive deep into the life of Donald J. Trump. Stay tuned till the end for some surprising facts about Trump you might not know. Early life and education. Born on June 14, 1946, in Queens, New York. Father, Fred Trump, a successful real estate developer. Mother, Marianne MacLeod, an immigrant from Scotland. As a child, Trump was energetic, assertive, and competitive. At 13, he was sent to the New York Military Academy due to behavioral issues. Developed leadership skills and discipline at the academy, attended Fordham University, but later transferred to the Wharton School at the University of Pennsylvania. Graduated in 1968 with a degree in economics. The Trump business empire. Trump joined his father's business, Elizabeth Trump and Son, in 1968. In 1971, he took control and renamed it the Trump Organization. 1970s to 1980s. Built luxury hotels, skyscrapers, and casinos. Trump Tower, 1983, became his most famous project, located in Manhattan. 1984 to 1990s, expanded into casinos like Trump Plaza, Trump Castle, and Trump Taj Mahal in Atlantic City. Faced financial troubles in the 1990s, filing for multiple bankruptcies. Used branding and media presence to recover his image. Trump and the media. Became a celebrity businessman, frequently appearing in interviews. Published best-selling books like The Art of the Deal, 1987. Launched The Apprentice, 2004, a hit reality show. Became known for his catchphrase, "You're fired." Turned his name into a global brand, licensing Trump hotels and products. The road to the White House. Announced presidential run in June 2015. Focused on immigration, trade deals, and America First policies. Despite criticism, he gained massive support. Defeated Hillary Clinton in 2016, winning the Electoral College. Became the 45th U.S. President on January 20, 2017. Trump's presidency. Key economic policies. Tax Cuts and Jobs Act, 2017. Major corporate tax cuts. Stock market and job growth surged. Foreign policy. First sitting U.S. president to meet North Korea's Kim Jong-un. Pulled out of Paris Climate Agreement and Iran nuclear deal. Immigration and border security. Pushed for U.S.-Mexico border wall. Ended DACA protections, later overturned by courts. Impeachments. Faced 2 impeachment trials, both ending in acquittal. COVID-19 and controversies. Led Operation Warp Speed for vaccine production. Faced criticism over handling of the pandemic. 2020 election and aftermath. Lost 2020 election to Joe Biden, but refused to concede. January 6, 2021. Capitol riot led to his second impeachment. Banned from Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. Left the White House on January 20, 2021. Trump's life after presidency. Moved to Mar-a-Lago, Florida. Launched his own social media platform, TRUTH Social. Remains a dominant figure in U.S. politics. 2024 presidential run. Announced his candidacy to take back the White House. Donald Trump's journey is far from over. From real estate to reality TV to politics, his influence continues to shape America.